Today, we're talking about the struggle of trying to eat healthy. But your friends are literally the worst influences ever. You know the type. The ones who turn into personal food critics every time you say no to fries? Yeah. Them. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Bryan, and welcome back to my channel. I recently decided to start eating healthy. Fruits, salads, grilled chicken, the whole deal. I was feeling good, energized, making responsible choices. But then, my friends happened. So there I was, walking into a restaurant feeling like a brand new person. I opened the menu, confidently skip past the burgers and fries section and go straight to light and healthy. I order a simple grilled chicken salad. No dressing, no extra cheese. Just clean, responsible eating. I'm proud of myself. And then, my friends roll in. First thing they do? Order the biggest, cheesiest pizza known to mankind. Like, I swear the cheese was stretching from here to the next dimension. Then come the fries, golden, crispy, calling my name like a long-lost lover. And then my friend looks at me and goes, "Bryan, you're really just gonna eat leaves? On purpose?" I said, "Sir, let me live my healthy life in peace." At this point, I'm holding strong, but I can hear the pizza whispering to me. Then they said, "Bryan, just one bite won't hurt." They said, "You've been so good, you deserve this." And then my friend, the enabler, comes in with the ultimate attack and said, "Bro, one bite doesn't count. You'll burn it off just by chewing." And that's when I knew I was finished. One bite turned into two. Two turned into a whole slice. And before I knew it, I was in a full-blown food coma, rethinking all my life choices. Salad? What salad? I was now 90% pizza and 10% regret. And of course, my friends had the audacity to say, "Damn, bro, I thought you were eating healthy." And I said, "Excuse me?" You literally peer pressured me into this. I was set up. This was sabotage. What is the moral of the story? Eating healthy is hard, but eating healthy around your friends? Impossible. Just accept that if you go out with them, your diet is getting left at home. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you've ever been in this situation, comment below with your funniest diet fail moment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next one.